In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ChatGPT theme. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for the official site. You want the result that takes you to the ChatGPT page provided by OpenAI. If you see options that look unfamiliar or third-party, skip those and choose the official link so you know you're in the right place. Click the correct URL to open ChatGPT. Depending on your device or whether you've visited recently, you might land on a welcome or sign-in screen first, or go straight to the chat interface. Either way is fine. We just need to access the settings from within your account. Next, click Sign In. Use your usual sign-in method and follow any prompts you normally see. Once you're in, you'll be at the main chat interface where you can access your profile and settings. Now look for your profile icon. This is typically a small avatar or initial. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the bottom left corner of the sidebar, but some layouts place it in the top right. On mobile or smaller windows, it might be tucked behind a menu icon. Click that profile icon to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings, then choose the General section. On desktop, this opens a small settings window. On mobile, it may open as a full page. The General tab is where appearance options are grouped, so that's where we'll make the change. Find the appearance setting and open the drop-down menu. You'll see three choices: Light, Dark, and System. Choose Light if you prefer a brighter interface that works well in daytime or well-lit environments. Choose Dark for a darker look that's easier on the eyes in low light and can help reduce glare and eye fatigue. Choose System. If you want ChatGPT to follow your device's theme automatically, so if your computer or phone switches between light and dark based on time of day, ChatGPT will match it. As soon as you select an option, the change applies instantly, so you can see how it looks before you close the settings. If you're not sure which to pick, try System first for a seamless experience. Then switch to Light or Dark if you want something more consistent. You can come back to these settings anytime to adjust them as your preferences or environment change. That's it. You've successfully changed the ChatGPT theme by signing in, opening your profile menu, going to Settings, selecting General, and choosing the appearance that suits you best.